And then we've got some, the first of many antelope species that we're going to see with the brown fur and the slightly curved horns. Those are fringe-eared oryx. Now you can kind of see from here they've got some white and black markings on their face. That is called a threat mask. So those white and black markings are going to be very useful for intimidation. A lot of animals, or a lot of the antelope species we're going to see are going to have a threat mask, those white and black markings. So they're going to use that for competition even amongst each other as they compete for food in the areas that they live in.
What's that called, Tram?
Stay in one spot.
Y aquellos se ponen juntan